Hello everyone, this is Molly. Welcome to my channel Molly Moves Nails. In today's video I'll be sharing how you can use nail foil with regular gel polish without the specific foil transfer gel. I know not everybody has a foil transfer gel and they want to know how to use nail foil with just regular gel polish, so today's video I'll be showing how you can achieve that. So the gel polish I'm going to be using is from Madam Glam and it is called Office Gossip. It's a beautiful rich purple colour. And nail foils I'll be using is from I don't know where. I'll try and find out, and if I can find it I'll link it in the description box below. So the foil I'll be using is this one. It's transparent and it has an iridescent oil sleek look. So what I'll do is cut a little bit off that I'll be using and put the rest away. Right, so I'll be creating this on a tip. This isn't a nail tip that I use on nails, it's just for demonstration purposes, for practicing, just nail art display tips really. I'll be applying one coat. It's an incredibly pigmented gel polish, so you don't really need 2 coats. You can if you want to, if you feel that it's not got a proper coverage. And I'm going to cure this in an LED lamp for 30 seconds. So now that that's cured for 30 seconds, I've got the little foil, the little piece of foil. And what I'm going to do is just apply it randomly in a dabbing motion. So I'll be putting pressure with my thumb. So my thumb's wrapped around the nail foil. Right, so I'm going to dab and rip off. And then dab again and rip off. Going to twist the tip around so I can get the corners. I'm going to turn the foil around because you can see there's no more foil design left in that gap because that's the part that's come off and stuck onto the nail. So I'll rotate the foil and now put pressure here and use this side. So dab, rip off. You just keep dabbing until you're happy with it. I'm going to apply a top coat, and the top coat I'm using is Madam Glam's No Wipe top coat. Usual gel polish top coats always have a tacky layer because all gel polishes have a tacky layer. That's how we stuck the foil on, because after curing, even though the gel's cured, there's still a tacky layer. So there's top coats that have a no wipe top coat, which means once you apply the top coat you don't have to clean the tacky layer off with alcohol or cleanser. You just apply a top coat and that's it. And cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. So this is the end result. I'm quite happy with how it looks. I love all the different colour shifting that's going on, and I hope this video wasn't too awkward. I wanted to say thank you very much for everybody's lovely comments. It always makes me really smile and really happy when I see all the lovely comments from you guys and all the support. Have a lovely day and thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!